Okay, we're good.
I read through the lesson twice today, actually, so I think I'm good.
Okay.
On that. So maybe some questions will come up when we start the quiz, but
cool. Yeah, let's just jump into the quiz then and see what comes up out of it. Let me see here. All right, there we go.
Up. Just a second.
12 questions.
Okay. I got the first two, so I'm ready to.
Yep. Let's go group question 3. All right. Okay. 3 decimal places.
Okay.
What is the shape of the distribution?
What is the shape of the distribution? Means the square root of the population is right skewed.
It should be sample size. It should be right, skewed right, because that's kind of going back to the idea of anytime you have a sample size of 30 or larger, then it'll be normally distributed. When the data is not normally distributed. So with this being right skewed and the sample size being less than 30, then this would reflect the right skew.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Okay. You're taking a sample size of 100.
So what you're saying, the next one would be normal, correct?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. All right. You're taking a sample size of M5. Normally distributed. Well, it's going to reflect what the distribution is. So I'd go normal on this one also.
Yeah. And then normal again for 6.
Yeah, normal again, yeah.
Okay.
All right. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Okay.
So it would be all of them but the third one, right? They're basically the last 4 questions.
Yeah, data drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. It would, because it's normally distributed. Data drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is large. Again, yes, because it's normally distributed.
Okay.
Data drawn from a right skewed and the sample size is small. Okay, so that's like the one we had earlier. So it's not that. And then right skew, but the sample size is large. It is that.
Because the sample size is large.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Which of the following gives the best explanation for the central line theorem, central limit theorem? All right. Parent population.
It's one of the last 2, and I can't remember which one, right?
Sample size is large. The sample mean will be close to the population mean. So the third one is that's the best definition for law of large numbers.
Okay, and that's what they said, that people get those confused. So,
or the shape of the distribution means they're probably approximately normal. Yeah, so I'd go with the last one.
Okay.
Let me just double check something real fast, though, just to confirm that here. Yeah, it's gonna be the last one.
Okay.
All right. Which of the following information? Okay, let X be a random variable. 10, 6. what is the mean of the distribution of sample means? Well, it's going to match, so it's going to be 10. Population mean.
Yeah. Okay.
And then what's the standard deviation? So it's the standard deviation is going to be the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size.
Okay.
So in this case, we're taking 6. Well, 6 and dividing it by the square root of 36, which is 6. So we should get 1.
Good. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. So it's, did you say it was square root of the standard deviation divided by the standard deviation?
No, you take the standard deviation.
Okay.
So in this case, standard deviation is 6. And then you're going to divide it by the square root of the sample size.
Oh, okay. That's what was confusing because it's all the 6s and 36. Okay.
Yeah. So in this case, the square root of 36 is 6.
Is 6.
So then
that's why it's 1. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So then we'll take standard deviation, which is 6, and divide it by the square root, which is 6. So we should have 1.
Okay.
All right. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, what would the shape distribution of the distribution of the sample mean? Yeah, normal.
Okay.
Yep. And then what theorem would justify your response to the last question? This should be central limit theorem.
Yeah, right? Again?
Yeah. Okay. Because central limit theorem is going to describe the shape. The shape
law
of
of numbers is
distribution.
more about the mean, is that?
Right. The law of numbers, basically, the law of large numbers will just draw you closer to the population mean as your sample size gets larger. When your sample size gets larger for the central line theorem, it's affecting the shape to go from, say, right or left skewed to a normal distribution.
Okay, cool. That makes sense. Okay, you feel good about all of those?
Yeah, let me just make sure I didn't press up or down like I did last time.
Yeah.
That was super annoying.
Did you go back and redo it?
Yeah, I went back and redid it and got it right. I didn't even realize we could do that until I think our second or third one. I'm like,
oh really?
Yeah, I didn't even realize you can go back and do it.
Oh no.
All right, we should be good. All right, I'll go ahead and submit.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see.
All right, we're good.
100.
Yep, I didn't select it. I didn't press up or down at all.
Good job.
All right, cool. Well, I guess that's it for this week. We'll do it again Wednesday. I think next Wednesday, and we can talk with Tyson and Sterling on Wednesday. But I think next week I might miss the meeting. So we could talk through how to set up this hangout for one of you three.
Okay.
I don't know. Have you done this before? Have you set up the hangout this way?
Only the very first week when we did it, and I did not do very well.
Okay. So, maybe what I'll try to do is if I can, I'll try to figure out how maybe I can share my screen with all of you, and then I can just like physically show you the steps that I do.
Okay.
Maybe that. Maybe I'll try to figure out how to do that.
If there's ever a point where we need to reschedule too, I'm pretty flexible. So.
Okay. Yeah, because that's maybe was the other thing I was thinking about is maybe do it Thursday potentially if everybody can.
Yeah.
If not, then I'll just miss that week, and I'll help you guys with getting this set up and making sure you're able to post it.
Well, hopefully there'll be more of us on Wednesday, and we can talk about it maybe.
Yeah.
See what everyone thinks.
Sounds good.
Okay. Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
No worries. I'll see you on Wednesday.
See you Wednesday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.